Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today I'll show you how to extract mobile number from any WhatsApp group. For that, select the group, right click on group info, select inspect, right click on the highlighted portion, click on copy and then copy element. Now open MS Word and paste the numbers. Here you can see the numbers, but the numbers are pasted twice. Here all the numbers are pasted twice. To delete the duplicate numbers, now from these parts delete this span title and delete the remaining numbers from more area level. Now these are all unique numbers. Paste these numbers in Excel. To remove comma from Excel, here you can see the numbers are separated by comma. We want to put the numbers column wise. For that, click on data and then click on text to column. Now numbers are separated and each column has got separate mobile number. Select the numbers and press Alt Ctrl V and then click on transpose. Now all the numbers will be placed in one column. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.